What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video I'm gonna learn how to embed a post from our Dribbble, so a shot from Dribbble, into your WordPress website for free in a simple, fast and effective method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations and many more topics in your choose internet on your site's favor. So let's get this started. Very first thing to do, it's find the post that I would like to embed into your WordPress website. So go to Dribbble, find the shot. I'm gonna choose this one for example, but you can choose any one, and you're gonna need to save the link. Okay, so go to the browser, select all of the link, copy and save this link. Okay, now go to the teacher Google and type this exactly like this, A-Framely. Okay, so go to the very first result. Now go to domains. Right here we can try for free, you can check your URL, but you can do this for free without needs of account. Okay, so right here we can see a lot of sites that you can embed content from, but I'm gonna choose Dribbble. And right here I'm gonna post the link that we did copy. Okay, so just go right here, check it, and here is the embed link. Okay, what you can do, you can check this on mobile and desktop, and I can copy the code. After this, I'm gonna need to move to my WordPress dashboard, find the place where I would like to embed this. In my case, it's gonna be into one of my posts. So I'm gonna go to WordPress dashboard, posts, select some of the posts. Load the post editor. Let me delete this one. There was a previous test that I made. Now I'm gonna hover my mouse between the sections, click into this plus button and search for the custom HTML widget. Okay, click on it, place the code, hit the update button in order to save the post. So now as you can see, here is the post and here is the embedded post from Dribbble, and as you can see the Dribbble little link right here. If I click, I'm gonna be redirected to the original post. So no need to attribution because it's the post embedded. Simple, easy, effective, with no needs, with no licenses problems, and for free. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com or borderless WordPress plugin in order to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your WordPress website using Elementor or Gutenberg. It's completely free. In addition, in the case that you want, you can download our free WordPress theme, the Enzo. That is the best free WordPress theme you can use. In the case that you run a blog and would like to submit your site to a bloggers network to receive guest posts, to publish guest posts on your site, just go to growth3ws.net, submit your site, and it's completely free as well. And as a final note, in the case that you want to go premium, in order to unlock access to our templates library, full of sites that can be ready with a single click, unlock access to our support, premium icons, premium blocks, premium templates, and many more pro features, just go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and go premium. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!